Welcome to my channel. Netgear Nighthawk X6s AC3000 setup. Unbox your router and gather router power adapter Ethernet cable. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem to the yellow internet port on the router. Power on the modem and wait until it fully boots, 1 to 2 minutes. Plug in and power on the router. Wait for the power LED on the router to turn solid white or amber. Find and connect to the router's default Wi-Fi, Netgear-X6s or Netgear-X6s-5. gnoise.it. Use the default Wi-Fi password printed on the label at the bottom of the router, or connect using an Ethernet cable to one of the router's LAN ports. Open a web browser and go to http://www.routerlogin.net or use http://192.168.1.1. Log in with username admin, password default. Let you set a new Wi-Fi name, SSID, and Wi-Fi password. Offer to update firmware, recommended. Download the Netgear Nighthawk app, Android/iOS. Thanks for watching.